A storyboard says what is in the show, but timing determines if the show actually works. Skip the timing phase and you find the failure at the color grade. You need a system that catches the truth before you hit render. It starts by pulling every disparate asset into a single reactive environment. Storyboards, voice clones, and atmosphere wired together instantly, resulting in a zero-copy pass of the entire production. Because the first cut is no longer edited, it's generated. The timeline becomes a recut surface. The first cut is free. Every cut after is faster than opening Premiere. Animation production, finally at the speed of generation. Nmediaservices.com.